the farmhouse style, a rustic, fresh and comfortable environment is sought. Considering the white color as the basis of the decoration, you will be able to combine all the old rustic wood furniture without problems. Here I am going to list 12 items that help to achieve the farmhouse style. 1. Wooden entrance door. Brings color to the porch, turning it into the point of attention. 2. Large leather sofa. A rustic piece that combines with the old chairs. 3. Wood floors. You can choose the color of the wood finish, but the most important thing is that it looks really rustic. 4. Brick chimney. To give it a rustic and cozy character, you just have to decorate it to your liking. 5. Wood bin. Solid wood bins separate the open space. 6. Rustic wood furniture. Any furniture such as chests of drawers, cabinet, cupboard, coffee table, etc. 7. Wooden table. A nice rustic solid wood table could not be missing. 8. Wood range hood. The kitchen is transformed into the modern farmhouse style just by adding the wood finish. 9. Rustic wood finish bathroom. A sink with a wooden base and a wooden frame for the mirror. Wooden wall. Highlight the bedroom wall to give warmth to the space. 11. Metal cradle. Some furniture helps to better define the style. And 12. Wooden bed headboard. This headboard is beautiful for looking old and solid wood.